You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, known in English as the Swedish death cleaning. So you clean up stuff, declutter before you die. The Swedish pronunciation, correct pronunciation, Döstädning. Dö, so it's like a schwa sound in English, an a sound, dö, stad, an a sound, ning. So it's pretty straightforward once you know Döstädning. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.